nerves. With regards to your nerves, the brachial plexus, the trace. Okay, so what is born here are the cords. So on the lateral side, this one, you have now the lateral cord. Then this one would be the medial cord. Then a little bit behind these two cords, the posterior cord. Okay, with regards to the lateral cord, okay, lateral cord, you have one branch there that going towards your BBC muscle. So you now have your musculocutaneous nerve. So your lateral cord and your medial cord now fuses together. Gawas mo kayo sa exam hapon. And now forms this nerve. We call this nerve now as your median nerve. So you have your median nerve. Okay, branches here nga clear. And this one, the level of the forearm anteriorly. So we call this branch now of the median nerve as the anterior interosseous nerve. Okay, branch of the median nerve, anterior interosseous nerve. It further goes towards the wrist and hand portion, and we now call this as the cutaneous branch of the median nerve. So you have 3.5 fingers there. Ayan ikuan. Okay. So next, at the level of your medial cord, this is the medial cord. We branch of one nerve there, goes further there, the medial side. So this would now be your ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve. Branches there here on the palmar surface. So the palmar cutaneous branch of the ulnar nerve. On the dorsal side, you have the dorsal cutaneous branch of the ulnar nerve. Check. Okay, other nerves. Okay, so from the posterior cord, the one nerve then will branch towards the subscapularis. So we call this nerve now as your subscapular nerve. I don't know if it's upper or lower. Since may distinguish in upper or lower, so subscapular nerve. Okay, then another nerve there that veers towards this muscle, and it goes going out here, innervating to the deltoid. So we call this nerve now as the axillary nerve. Wow. Okay. Then another nerve that branches out from the posterior cord goes behind the arms. Ilang maklari kayo kuha. Then these are some of its branches. So we call this nerve now as the radial nerve. This one is the continuation of the radial nerve. So this portion here that veers towards this muscle as supinator, so that would be now your deep radial nerve or deep branch of the radial nerve. The other one that goes superficially towards the wrist and hand would now be the cutaneous branch of the radial nerve. Cutaneous branch. Ano mo sa sensory distribution? So, kani siya deep branch of the radial nerve further pierce towards here, and it goes out here sa dorsum sa inyong forearm between these two bones. So, this is still the deep branch of the radial nerve. Since it is on the dorsal side between the two bones, so this is also known as the posterior interosseous nerve. Posterior interosseous nerve. Sometimes.
Sometimes,
oftentimes, always, never. Okay. If ever maka-encounter na mo the word posterior interosseous nerve, so that's referring to the deep branch of the radial nerve. And next, your arteries. Okay, if we're going to trace the arteries from the heart, it goes to our ascending aorta. Then from the ascending aorta, it now further before was the arc of aorta. Then from the arc of aorta, you have three branches. On the rightmost, you have your brachiocephalic. Center, you have left common carotid. And on the left, you have your left subclavian artery. Ang imo sa brachiocephalic will now branch into two. One going towards the neck, so you have your right common carotid. And going towards the arm, you have your right subclavian artery. So we're going to trace now your subclavian. Both sides have more check. So Underneath the clavicle, may siya nga na subclavian artery because found underneath the clavicle. So it would deform your subclavian artery. As it passes beyond the lateral border of the first rib, fascia beyond the lateral border of the first rib, your artery would now be named as your axillary artery. So yung mga axillary artery, once it reaches at the lower border of the teres major, the artery would further continue to form and be named as your brachial artery. So your brachial artery further continues at the level of the neck of the radius, but magsayo rin siya ni bifurcate. This would be your brachial artery, supposedly at the bottom. So at the level of the neck of the radius will bifurcate into two. The one is on the medial side, so you have the ulnar artery. Then on the lateral, you have the radial artery. Okay. Siya, intact. Let's now discuss the branches. Okay, for this model lang, So at the levels of axillary artery, nakay mo branch here on the posterior side. So we call this now branch as your posterior circumflex humeral artery. Or posterior circumflex humeral artery. Then anteriorly, we have this anterior circumflex humeral artery. Anterior circumflex humeral artery. That's anterior side. Yeah. Next, further here. Okay, with regards to ulnar artery, suppose na ni siya mo branch pero natabunan lang. Okay, mo-branch siya common interosseous artery. Branch siya. Yan mo siya common interosseous. And ay mo na sa common interosseous mo-branch into two. Pa-recall mo sa inyong standing. So, ang imong common interosseous mo-branch into two. Anterior interosseous and posterior interosseous. So, gani siya here. Naka-mention kung anterior interosseous nerve, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so the artery there that goes together with your anterior interosseous nerve, as the anterior sa forearm, so that would now be your anterior interosseous artery. Anterior interosseous artery. And the one that further goes posteriorly behind there, and siya will continue here, would now be your posterior interosseous artery. Posterior interosseous artery na siya. Okay, other branches. Okay, here, on this part here, you now have your superficial palmar branch of the ulnar artery. Then, ang opposite na siya, the branch of the radial, we call it the superficial palmar branch of the radial artery. Then, these two branches now fuses together to form one arc. So, we call that arc now as the superficial palmar arc. For short ang arteria, you can have superficial arterial palmar arc. May siya. And from the palmar arc, you now have this your digital artery. So, palmar side man siya. So, palmar digital artery. Okay, other mga arteries here, dorsal side man siya. Dorsal digit. So, you have your dorsal digital arteries. Then here, other branches here. So, you have your branch of the radial nerve. So, that one there going towards the index finger. So that would now be your arteria radialis indicis. Arteria radialis indicis. Then here towards the thumb, you have your arteria princeps pollicis. Arteria princeps pollicis. Okay, there. Okay, here. With that model.